Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, very different video, odd, whatever you want to call it. But if y'all saw the video where I was talking about the latest makeup products, life is funny. You know why? Because I was getting comments like, girl, hair laid, face laid, makeup, yay. I didn't actually like my makeup that day. Like, I didn't like it. I was texting Tasha and I was like, I actually don't like my makeup today. And the fact that day, because I had posted on, Instagram, TikTok and whatnot, I was getting comments talking about your makeup looks so good. And I'm like, thank you. I don't like it. And I did that video before I went to the Anastasia masterclass, letting you guys know that, like, I don't know, I kind of haven't been liking it lately. I don't know what's going on. I'm like, this is a midlife crisis. What is going on? Am I going through another transition where I don't like my makeup? Because you guys know, I was more so like more of a matte makeup kind of girly, and I've kind of transitioned out of that. I'm like, am I going through another transition? So let's do my makeup today and see if I like it by the end of the video. I don't know. Let's go. Okay, starting out with foundation. I've been using different ones because I've been doing different videos like drugstore, luxury. I tried the Luminous. I've been liking the MAC foundation. I don't know if that's my problem, but I usually like Patrick Ta and NARS Natural Radiant together. So let's go back to using those two together. So I have the Patrick Ta in 26 neutral and I have the NARS in D3. I think I wear D3 in like all NARS foundations. So let's do 1 pump of NARS. That was 1 pump? 1.5 pumps of NARS? 2 pumps of NARS, because like that was and then 1 pump of Patrick will be enough. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And listen, when it comes to foundation and concealer, blend with a brush, with a sponge. That is what takes the most time, is me blending all of that in. Once I get past concealer, like powder and everything else until I finish, takes like a good 10 minutes. But this, especially concealer, because I'll be using like 3, blend. And make sure you blend that. If you use concealer on your eyebrows, make sure you blend that foundation into that concealer. So before I blend out concealer, I'm gonna spray my face down with the Mario spray. Now for concealer, that has also been very like up in the air for me recently, because I have also been using a bunch of different concealers from Gucci, Tower 28, House Labs, Fenty, all of that. So I'm not sure if that's why I haven't been liking it. One thing that stays consistent is the Fenty concealer. So I have the Fenty on my face right now. Hourglass has been a little consistent, but I didn't use it on in that video with the Let's Talk New Makeup. And then today, like, I just be picking stuff up. I'm like, I don't know, let me try the NYX Born to Glow Radiant in Mahogany and see if I like my makeup better today that way. I really don't know, y'all. I don't. So go ahead and blend that out. And like I said, this is what be taking more time because I got 3 different ones on my face. And this, well, that was a That was a Danessa Myricks foundation brush, if you're wondering. And then this is a House Labs concealer brush. And I start at the bottom, and y'all know I just kind of get a vibe of where the concealer is going to be with a brush, and then I blend it out with a sponge. Okay, I'm kind of digging the base before we get to powder. I do also go back with the foundation brush over my concealer. I don't put any more product on there, but I just kind of use that as a topper on there. Now, usually I do pressed powder first, but today let's do loose powder first. This is the YSL one that I showed you guys. I just got an email. Okay, and then once I take that off, I'll do pressed powder. I'll come back for that. But I'm just gonna go speed through contour, bronzer, blush, because it's the same exact thing. This is what I'm trying different today to hope that I actually like my makeup by the end of this. Okay, so pressed powder is on top of my loose powder. Setting spray, let me go back to L'Oreal. I just got a new one of this one, thankfully, because and then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Dewy setting spray. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Do I like it? Do I like it more than the Let's Talk New Makeup video? Yes. Do I like it? I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. I really don't. I don't know. I don't even know how to end this now, because I'm like, baby, maybe I don't know if you guys peeped, but like I had a couple videos where I didn't wear makeup at all. That's why I'm like, this is a midlife crisis. What's going on right now? I don't know. Let me know if you've gone through that, especially like if you transition from like 20s to 30s or 30s to 40s, like what is going on right now? But that is it for my face. I don't think it looks bad, I just don't like it. So that is it for this video. Everything that I used will be in the description down below if you like it and you want to know what I used specifically. But yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.